Ever wondered why parrots seem to have better dance moves than most of us? Well, you're not alone. These colourful chatterboxes have been captivating us with their gyrations for centuries. Parrots, you see, are a fascinating bunch. Not only do they possess the uncanny ability to mimic our words, but they've also managed to pick up a few of our dance moves. You heard that right, parrots dance, and we're not talking about a simple bob of the head. Oh no, these feathered Fred Astaire's are known to bust out some seriously impressive moves. What's even more intriguing is that parrots are among the only species of birds that display this hilarious behavior. So, it's not a common bird thing, it's a parrot thing. So next time you see a parrot bobbing its head and swaying its body, remember, it's not just being cute, it's dancing. Now, you might be asking, why do parrots dance anyway? Well, let's delve into the rhythmic world of parrots and find out. Parrots don't just dance for the fun of it, although they do seem to have a blast. Their dance moves are a form of communication, a way to express emotions, and a part of their mating rituals. Let's start with the communication aspect. In the wild, parrots use dance as a way to interact with each other. It's a form of body language that helps them convey messages to their flockmates. So, when you see a parrot bobbing its head or shaking its tail feathers, it's not just showing off its dance skills, it's also having a conversation. Now let's talk about the romantic side of parrot dancing. During the mating season, male parrots use dance to woo their potential partners. They strut their stuff, showing off their bright plumage and their best moves in an effort to impress the females. It's like the bird version of a dance-off where the best dancer wins the heart of the lady parrot. But it's not all serious business. Parrots also dance simply because they enjoy it. They're one of the few animal species that have been observed to move rhythmically to music much like humans do. So, if you've ever seen a parrot grooving to your favorite tune, it's not just mimicking you, it's genuinely enjoying the beat. What's fascinating is that this behavior isn't just limited to pet parrots. Wild parrots have also been observed dancing to the sounds of nature. Whether it's the rustling of leaves, the patter of rain, or the songs of other birds, these feathered creatures find rhythm in the world around them and can't help but move to it. So, there you have it. Parrots dance to communicate, to woo their mates, and for the sheer joy of it. They find rhythm in the world around them and express it through their dance moves. Whether it's to impress a mate, express happiness, or communicate, parrots certainly know how to bust a move. So how exactly do parrots dance? Well, picture this, a parrot like a little feathered Fred Astaire, bobbing its head to the rhythm of the music. That's right, head bobbing is one of their go-to moves. It's like their version of nodding along to a catchy tune. But they don't stop there. Oh no, they're not one-trick ponies. They add in some foot tapping, making their dance floor, or rather, perch, their own personal stage. It's like watching a tiny tap dancer in action. And let's not forget the body swaying. It's as if they're caught in the groove, swaying back and forth, lost in the rhythm. Now the fascinating part is, they're often mimicking human dance moves they've seen. They're like feathered fans, paying tribute to their favorite human dancers. And they don't just mimic, they can even synchronize their moves with the beat of the music. Parrots aren't just copying us, they're putting their own spin on our dance moves, making them the ultimate party animals. Let's recap the fascinating world of parrot dancing. It's been a whirlwind of feathers and fun, hasn't it? It's important to remember that parrots aren't just shaking their tail feathers for the heck of it. These intelligent birds use dance as a form of communication. Whether it's to attract a mate, ward off a rival, or just express their mood, every shimmy and shake holds meaning. Now, what's really mind-boggling is that parrots can mimic human dance moves. Yes, you heard it right. Your feathered friend might just outshine you at your next dance-off. They can groove to the beat, showing an understanding of music that's rare in the animal kingdom. And let's not forget, sometimes parrots dance purely for the joy of it, because who doesn't love a good boogie, right? So next time you hit the dance floor, remember, you might just have competition from a feathered friend.